going somewhere last minute and you need to do a quick natural hairstyle, I got you. I'm going to show you how I get the perfect twist out every time. Today I'm going to be using
the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam.
And you'll need a spray bottle. So I'm not really going to part my hair because once I unravel the twist, I will put it any type of way. So I'm going to section one side off. Okay, I usually start with the front. For these set of twists, I'm only going to do it like a medium to large because I'm going to be unraveling it. I still want a lot of volume and some definition as well. I'm not going to put too much water on my hair. I'm only going to put a little bit because my hair was dry. So a little moisture. And then I'm going to shake. I'm going to shake and then voila.
You can use this mousse for wash and goes, twist outs, and braid outs. It definitely gives a great hold for protective styles. And don't forget to twirl the ends.
I don't want my twist too small, but so far it's looking small, but let's just keep going. Look how moisturized and defined the twist is already. Like, I love this product. I just rake it through. And by the way, I don't really need to use a comb right now because my hair isn't really tangled that much. So I use my fingers, if anything, to detangle and to twist my hair up. And I twist very tightly so it doesn't poof up or unravel. So I'm done with half of my head. I'll show you the back. Remember, the parting isn't even, guys. Just trust the process. Trust the process. Right now, my twists look very juicy, moisturized, like, wow. Let me make sure any flyaways are out. Oh wow, very juicy and defined. Okay, so that was the last twist. I am going to wait for my twist to dry a little bit before I unravel them. So stay tuned. And here is the back. When I was detangling, this is the amount of shed hair that I got. So, not a lot. This is why I prefer not to use combs. Less breakage. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. My twists look kinda a bit rough, but just trust the process. And unravel gently. Just look at the definition already. Sometimes I would apply oil to my fingers and then unravel, but today I don't feel the need to. Just unravel the twist very slowly so you don't add any extra frizz. Okay, so that is one side. don't feel like separating a bit more because I already have enough volume, and over time it'll just fluff up some more. So give me a moment. I'm just going to I don't mind my twist in the front looking a little puffy. That is usually how I just do my twist. But you can either flat twist or do it more tighter to the scalp. I usually do a half up, half down. So I'm going to select a few. Now I'm going to do my edges to add a cute touch. So let me just So here are the final results. Can you believe that I did this twist out with only one product? And it works every time when I'm doing a last minute natural hairstyle. Using this mousse is my go-to. My hair feels so soft, and I love that there's still some definition and bounce. If you are looking for a simple routine, or if you are on a budget, this mousse works every time. I love this mousse. Have you ever tried a one product twist out, or would you? And let me know in the comments if you have tried out this mousse. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.